Americans are driving more.
Because of the gas prices, because of the economy, because of job growth, people are actually putting more miles on the roads.
2015 was the most heavily traveled year in history, according to the U.S. Department of Transportation.
So that means more accidents. There's more distracted drivers. People are continuing to text and drive. That's a big problem. The speed limits has risen in any number of states. That's a problem. And the road conditions are a problem too. So even if you have a clean driving record, you're paying because the overall situation is getting very costly for insurance companies, so they have to spread those costs out among consumers and get them to pay more in the form of higher premiums.
The federal government's Consumer Price Index for auto insurance shows prices have risen every month this year.
People are often unpleasantly surprised when they go to renew their policy and see it has risen, and in some cases it's risen by several $100s.
In the competitive auto insurance industry, rates vary dramatically from one company to the next. You could save as much as several $100s a year by switching.
Price is one thing you want to consider, but you also want to consider the financial solvency of the company. You want to make sure that the company is going to be around when you need them to pay out claims, for example.
You may qualify for discounts. Just ask.
If you do have a good record, if you've taken a defensive driving course, if you bundle your insurance, different types of insurance with the same company, if you pay your bill in full, sometimes these insurance companies will give you a discount.
Got an old clunker in the driveway? Well, as a general rule of thumb, it does not make sense to buy comprehension and collision coverage, which covers repairs if your car is worth less than $1,000.
If your car is this old and worth less than $1,000, it means it's depreciated beyond the point where it makes sense to actually repair it.
Insurance companies look at everything from your location to the type of car that you drive to determine your rate. And this includes your credit. Protect your credit by paying bills on time. Also keep your credit card balances as low as possible. In New York, I'm Nicole Petalides, Fox Business.